You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this beauty product. I think it's some sort of a pen highlighter. We'll be looking at how to say more beauty names and more fashion names too. So this is by Yves Saint-Laurent, and it's to be said touche éclat. Touche éclat is how you say it in French, so you can say it as touche éclat. The T is silent. Touche éclat. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.